So you're thinking about putting your home on the market and you want to make sure you're going to get the best return on your investment? These tips should help. Well, let's talk about curb appeal. This is important as it's the first impression your buyer will have as they arrive at your home. The best thing that you can do is either rent a power washer or have someone come and do it. Either way, you want to wash years of dirt off your driveway, sidewalk, and home. You also want to pay attention to the front door. As an agent, it takes a few seconds for me to open a lockbox, and this gives the buyer a chance to really look at your entryway while they are waiting. Take a look and make sure that there isn't any peeling paint on the door or cobwebs around the lights. Next step is to work with your agent to maybe stage your homes. 77% of buyers said that staging a home makes it easier for buyers to visualize themselves living in it, and staging a home makes your home stand out against the competition and shows the best features of your home to any prospective buyers. Also, research shows that professionally staged homes can sell for as much as 10% higher than homes that are not staged. Also, now that you've gotten your home ready, you will want to get professional photos of your home. According to the National Association of Realtors, 67% of buyers will walk through a home that they saw online. So professional pictures are a must in your preparation. And lastly, now that your home is all ready for buyers, you must have a showing plan. Buyers and agents may request a showing of your home at any time, and you must be prepared. Until your home is under contract, it's important to be able to leave your home at a moment's notice. A few things you can do is to plan simpler meals for easy cleanup and make plans for some outdoor activities. Also, find a place to bring your pets to showings, maybe a family or a good friend to take care of them. These steps will help you in selling your home faster and for more money. For more information, feel free to call us here, John Eric Williams Real Estate. We are your Sacramento and Natomas area experts. Connecting people and homes is music to my ears.